Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I feel like some breakfast. What about you? Alright, so we're going to make some Johnsonville link sausage. Okay, and we're going to have that with some eggs and some raisin toast. How about that, huh? Alright, so let's do it. A quickie, you know, everybody makes breakfast maybe, but there are some people who say, well, I make breakfast, but I don't really know how to cook the sausage or the egg. So let me show you, okay? Alright, thumbs up please. Share the video and subscribe. You can go ahead and thumbs up now because I know you're going to like it. Alright, let's do it. Okay, so you can see I have about 1/4 of a cup of water in this frying pan. So we're going to start off with the water in the frying pan, cooking our sausages. I'm putting in 4 link sausages. We'll let that cook for about maybe 3 minutes. And then I'm going to pull the water off and we're going to continue frying it. Okay? So let's give that 3 minutes. Thank you. Okay, it's been about maybe 3 minutes. So I'm going to pour the water off and I'm going to leave the sausage in the frying pan, and now we're going to fry them. Okay, so I poured the water off and now we're going to fry them. So I'm going to put a drop of olive oil in the frying pan. Let's move them around so that all the oil gets on the sausage. And all we're doing at this point is browning them. Okay, why don't I give you the word of the day while we're waiting. The word of the day: mean-spirited person. What makes a person have a mean spirit? Maybe it's things they went through as a child. Maybe it's things that they've experienced as an adult. Or maybe they just have a mean spirit. I just have to say it. Well, if that's you, you can change it because you are in control of you and your spirit. And when you feel like being mean, just be loving and give that a try. A mean-spirited person, that's a choice that you do not have to live through. That's the word of the day. Okay, let's get back to our sausage. Okay, you can see they're browning nicely. Okay, once they've browned on both sides, you're all done. They're done because remember we boiled them. We boiled them for 3 minutes prior to this. So now I'm going to cut it off. And I'm going to take them out. And let's take a temperature. Remember, pork should be 155 on the thermometer. I'm going to put it straight through the middle. Okay, we're way past 160, so we're good. Alright, so our sausage is done. I'm going to wash out the frying pan and I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook the, what would you like? Would you like a fried egg or cheese egg? Let's go with a fried egg, okay? Alright, let's do it. Okay, so now let's turn our fire on. Our frying pan is all washed out. I'm putting a slice of margarine in the frying pan. And I'd like to show you how to make sunny side up eggs. And the key to that is you can't crack it and then put it in way from up here. If you do, it's gonna the yolk is gonna break open. So you got to put it in pretty low. Okay. So let's melt the margarine. Okay. Now I want to put my fire down on number 4. I don't want it too high. Okay. All right. Alright, so you can see our margarine is melted. So now we're going to crack our egg right on the side of the frying pan. And then you want to break it open out the shell. And then put it in low. Low to the bottom of the frying pan. Let's try one more. Put it in low. Another trick is when you open it, you don't want it to lean onto the edge of the shell, or that will break it open. Okay? Okay, let's put some salt and pepper on it. I have some salt here. And some pepper. Okay, so as it's cooking, you're going to see the outer edge of the white of the egg is going to cook first. You can actually see that. And then you're going to see some white of the egg kind of thicker in the middle, closer to the edge, to the yolk. So you want to take your spatula and you're going to poke a hole into the white part of the egg all around the egg to allow that to space to open up and the yolk to, not the yolk, the white to fall down into the hole that you just created so that that will cook. And you can do that here and there over the egg, wherever you see the white of the egg is thicker and not cooked. Okay, once you've done that a couple of times, you'll see that it all looks the same as if it's all cooked, but it's not. Okay, so now we're going to just let that cook because I'm making sunny side up eggs, right? So we're going to just let that cook until you think that it's done. And you can usually tell because it'll create little bubbles underneath that you can kind of see on the top, like right here and right here. So I'm going to just put a slice across here because it's all one right now, so that when I get ready to take it out, I can take it out as 2 eggs. There we go. Let me cut that off my knife. Off my spatula. Okay, I just scraped that off my spatula. And as you can see, that is cooking very nicely. You see that? Okay, so I would say that we're done. And the reason why I'm saying that we're done is, no, the yolk is not going to be brown unless you turn it over. You turn it over, it's an upside down egg, okay? And if it stays just like it is, it's called a sunny side up egg. Alright, so I'm going to cut the fire off and I'm going to plate up and show you that. So I have some home fries that I made in the previous video. So I want to add that to the plate with the eggs and sausage and show you that. And I'm going to toast my raisin toast while I'm out so that you can see that as well. Okay? Alright, I'll be right back. Okay guys, it's all plated up. Look at that. How about that, huh? You like that? That looks good, doesn't it? Okay, so stop. Let's give it a thumbs up right now. Okay, so let me taste. I just also want to show you, look at those egg yolks. You see that? You try that. So now you know how to make sunny side up eggs. And if you want to check out how to make the home fries, check out my video previous to this. Okay, so let's do it. I want to get some eggs with the yolk running out of it. Home fries. Let me taste the sausage. The sausage is nice and juicy. Nice and juicy. When you boil it a little, it puts that moistness into the sausage so that it's not dry. If you just fry them without boiling them just a little for 2 or 3 minutes, then the sausage may not end up juicy. They may end up dry. You want them nice and juicy. And the raisin toast. Now that's a thumbs up. So good. Okay, I'm going to go have my breakfast while you cook yours and have yours. Okay, subscribe if this is your first time on my channel. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.